Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Hello and welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is Monday, July 13th, 2026. Day 4 of the journey. Another $100 goes into VTI. Tonight's simple topic: big news week ahead. Inflation data, bank earnings, oil prices, and Fed headlines can move markets, but they don't have to move the plan. Simple lesson: don't overreact to one report or one day. The market has a lot to react to. That does not mean we need to panic. This week's investors are watching inflation reports, big bank earnings, oil prices and global tension, Federal Reserve headlines. Any one of these can push stocks around for a day or two. Today was a red day. That is normal. Monday's market move. S&P 500 was down 0.8%. The NASDAQ fell 1.5%, and the Dow was down 0.3%. One down day is not a reason to quit. It is part of the ride. The beginner lesson: headlines move prices, habits build wealth. What the news can do: move prices up or down today. What a habit can do is build ownership over years, $100 at a time. Small buys can become a serious investing habit when repeated consistently. That is the ABI advantage. Why VTI fits this series: one fund, a lot of companies, very simple. VTI is built to track the broad U.S. stock market. That means I am not betting the whole series on one stock, one headline, or one prediction. Today's action: buy $100 of VTI. Total invested, $400. What I am not doing tonight: this matters just as much as the buy. I'm not predicting tomorrow. Nobody knows every short-term move. Not changing the plan. 1 week of news is not the whole future. Not giving financial advice. This is education and documentation. News is for learning, not panic. Day 4 is done. Another $100 invested. Today, $100 into VTI. The total so far is $400. Same simple habit tomorrow.